Hi guys, good morning. We are in front of one unique spice store in Kurg. We see what they have inside this store and they have some unique stuffs inside this store. Let's see. Hi.
Hello, sir. So this is like take the coffee there.
So they have different types of honey and you can have a look. They have different types of coffee as well. Different types of spices. So wow, nice chocolates. Different types of chocolates. Great man, seriously. So can you explain me about the rest of the things?
So actually these are the kinds of honey, sir. We have a total 6 varieties of honey here. Basically two beans can see here, sir, in the Western Ghats. One is Serena bee, one more is Epi Serena.
Okay.
Serena bee is all are cultivated in the wooden boxes. Epi Serena bee all are cultivated in the clay pots, and naturally they will make the beehives in the tree.
Okay.
Those all are. And actually these honeys all are yearly twice a time we will harvesting, and yearly one time also harvesting honey we have here. The seasonal harvesting honey also available here. We have 6 types of honey, and this is one of the unique honey here. Here some type peoples is there. They will keep the deforesting area clay pot, and the bee called Epi Serena. The bee came inside the clay pot and bee make the beehives, and peoples are harvesting yearly one time like this. This
Okay.
is the processing, and this honey yearly we will get only very less quantity availability. And taste also very beautiful, and this honey has more Western Ghats wildflower nectars.
Okay.
And this is, we call here very rarely this honey we will get it.
Okay.
And these are regular wooden box cultivated honey, as well as these are the kinds of coffee. We have a total 7 types of coffee here. Basically 3 species: Arabica, Robusta, Liberica.
Okay.
Robusta strongest coffee, Arabica medium strong coffee.
Okay.
And Liberica is no one will be used because of that is bitter taste, and that growing very less plants.
Okay.
And this is Robusta.
Okay.
And we have some facilities here. We freshly grind it and give it to yourself here only.
Okay.
And these are grinder machine. This is imported one, and this from Turkey.
Wow, nice.
This is 2.5 lakh and 5 HP silent motor.
That's around like 2.5 lakh for this. Okay.
And these are the kinds of coffee we have organic tea. This is one of the organic coffee. It's from Hurdur estate, in the local estate, and single origin estate harvesting coffees all are.
Okay.
And the Robusta also one of the strongest one. It's from Coog only.
Okay.
In South Indian blend means like a Robusta typical filter coffees, Robusta and Arabica blend.
Okay.
And that is actually coffee blossoming season. You can see the coffee flowers there. That's the first picture.
Okay.
And this is coffee cherries. Then we will harvesting here. That's become a red color peel.
Okay.
After 7 to 8 months, then we will sun dried it.
Okay.
That's become a red color turn to the black one.
Okay.
Black. After the black, we will remove that shell. Then we will get the parchmental coffee.
Okay.
Then we will roast it depending upon the blend.
Wow, great.
And as well as we have one of the unique coffee here that's called Asian civet coffee. Have you heard about animal poop coffee? Nowadays everywhere it's famous also.
Okay.
This is one of the poop from the animal.
Okay.
Out from the animal.
Okay.
This is the excrete of the civet cat poop.
Wow, nice.
And this cost in India, it's cost like 40,000 rupees is there 1 kg.
1 kg.
1 kg. But in our company here we will sell only 9,000 rupees. And in the future we will increase also that price maybe.
Okay.
And that is the animal. In Western Ghats 4 species is found. 1 is non-vegetarian, look like leopard. 3 vegetarian cats. That vegetarian cat only eats the bean.
Okay.
That is the coffee fruit, and then it will be poop it out after the processing. The local planters found it and give it to
So
us.
the different flavors of chocolate,
Yeah,
right?
these are the types of chocolates. We have dark chocolate and the white chocolate, milk chocolate, cocoa, hazelnut, and some chocolate drinks also available, spread also available.
Okay.
And cocoa powder also is there. You can make hot chocolate drink, cold chocolate drink, and all.
Okay.
And as well as that is the Coog orange. Coog orange doesn't turn the orange color. And this is Western Ghats, one of the unique fruit. Here people are using substitution of tamarind. That's fruit called Cambogia gassenia.
Okay.
It's one of the sourest fruit in the world.
Okay.
And that's good for cholesterol also.
Okay.
Bad cholesterol burning.
Nice,
And the
nice.
first that picture is there. No, that is called passion fruit. It's like
Which
a
one?
sweet
The
and
last
tangy taste.
Okay, that one, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And this is the product, guys.
So great, man. Seriously. So these are the spices, right?
Yeah, spices all are here.
Okay.
Cardamom, clove,
Okay.
cinnamon. There are cinnamon 2 species is there. One is Cassia, one is Ceylon. Ceylon was actually imported one. It was in India.
So which one? This is the imported one,
This
right?
is the real cinnamon actually. You see the bark.
Okay.
In India, only 10 to 15% stores only available this cinnamon
Okay. Nice.
in the whole India.
Great.
These are the stuffs, guys, and this is the